Looking for the perfect tattoo machine? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best wireless tattoo machines, packed with power, precision, and performance. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these machines are built to level up your tattoo game. Let's get started. Item number 5. The Ambition Mars U is a professional wireless tattoo machine made from durable space aluminum alloy. It features a powerful Coreless motor with speeds up to 10,500 RPM and 6 adjustable stroke lengths from 2.2 mm to 4.2 mm. The 1800 mAh battery delivers up to 6 hours of use and charges in just 2 hours. With a clear LCD display showing voltage, battery life, and working time, plus RCA and Type-C interface options, this machine offers smooth performance, excellent control, and true freedom for every tattoo artist. Item number 4. Introducing the Dragonhawk X2, a high-performance wireless tattoo machine built for professionals. It features a powerful custom iron core motor with a 3.5 mm stroke and speeds up to 12,000 RPM. The 1700 mAh battery delivers up to 7 hours of continuous use and charges fully in just 2 hours via Type-C. Its lightweight 210-gram body ensures comfort during long sessions. The LED screen displays voltage with auto color change, while 3 simple buttons allow for easy voltage adjustment and pause start control. Perfect for all tattoo styles, the X2 offers precision, power, and total reliability. Item number 3. Meet the Ambition Seher, a powerful wireless tattoo machine with a 2400 mAh battery offering up to 8 hours of runtime. It features a Coreless motor running at 10,500 RPM and 6 adjustable strokes from 2.2 mm to 4.2 mm. Perfect for both lining and color packing. The LED color touchscreen makes voltage control simple, while the ergonomic grip ensures comfort during long sessions. Built with CNC machined aluminum alloy, it supports both battery and RCA use. Ideal for both beginners and pros, the Seher combines precision, power, and durability in one sleek design. Item number 2. The Xnet Titan 2024 features a powerful Coreless DC motor with a 4.0 stroke, perfect for fine lines, shading, and color packing. Operating between 5 to 12 volts, its battery holds 2400 mAh and lasts 6 to 7 hours, with Type-C charging in just 2 hours. Adjustable voltage increments of 0.5 volts and comfortable 38 mm or 42 mm grips make it easy to use. Compatible with all major cartridge brands, this machine offers smooth performance while minimizing skin damage, ideal for professional tattoo artists. Item number 1. Introducing the Mast Fold 2 Pro wireless tattoo machine, built for precision and performance. With 7 adjustable strokes from 2.4 to 4.2 mm, it's perfect for lining, shading, and color packing. The Makor C1 Coreless motor delivers smooth, snag-free operation. Powered by dual 2000 mAh batteries, it runs up to 7 hours and charges in just 2 hours via Type-C. A color OLED screen shows real-time voltage from 4 to 12 volts with 0.1 volts adjustments. Lightweight, powerful, and wireless, ideal for professional tattoo artists seeking flexibility and control. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel